Trip. Yeah. Can't stop. They watching, ain't watching. They pop. She mad, more options. Ops watch. They move, get it pop.
That did not sound good. Shit! Hello there, everyone. So I said I was going to upload more frequently on this channel. I said that 3 years ago. I don't know what happened. So I've been stockpiling a bunch of packages for the past 6 months, and we're going to open them. Cool. So I don't know what we're going to start with. I know this one, I kind of cheated. This one is kind of already open, so I know what's in there. So we're going to save that one for last, because that's my personal favorite. So I'm going to start with this one. I don't even know what it is, honestly. Alright, we're not going to start with that one. Oh, okay. First off, we're starting with my bait tee. It's a dragon tee. I love the art design on it, and I actually got a really good deal on this, so that's why I bought it. Next item. God, okay, we're not doing that one, I guess. Next box. We see a Nike box. So I kind of cheated. Looking at the box, it says Jordan Biking. So it is obviously the Jordan 1 High, Nigel Sylvester. So it's like a distressed type of shoe. That's what the design was going for, and I really like the coloring on it. So that's why I went and bought it. On to the next item. So I guess we're gonna do this box. It's not really in a box, but it's a Yeezy 700 box, and it should be the Geo colorway. I bought these a long time ago and never wore them, but I actually really like this shoe. Kind of like a muddy brown type colorway, but it's going to be perfect for the fall season. That's why we bought it. I actually bought it because I got a good deal on it, not because of the colors. Alrighty, another possible shoe box. Shoe box? Yes, it is another shoe. It is a Nike shoe. And, ooh! So this is another highly sought after shoe that I was going for. It is the Jordan 1 Red Toe. On to the next box. I guess we're gonna go with the tee that's already out. So this is a V-Lone electric shock orange tee or some shit like that. So back to this one that dropped earlier. Ooh, it's my vape camera strap that's gonna go on my new camera. Oh my god, I have so much trash building up over here. It's ridiculous. Which box do we want to go to? I guess we're gonna go for this one right in front of me. I feel like this is a Jordan 1 box. I am wrong. Way wrong. What the hell happened here? Oh, did I just do that? Oops. I think I just cut the box. Well, we have a Yeezy 350 box, and ooh. We have the Yeezy 350 Black. This recently dropped not too long ago. I still overpaid for these, because once they announced the restock, that shit tanked. Like a lot, like Titanic. Next box. I have no idea what's in this. Oh, I know what this is. I'm reading and I'm cheating. So I actually think I got the wrong size on these, which is real fucking smart. Oh my god, I'm running out of room. So these actually have a lot of restocks with the CDG Converse. I've been wanting these for a really long time. I never got a pair. Oh my god, these are massive. These are like fucking clown shoes. Another box where I really don't have any idea what it's from. Ah, shoe box. Oh my god, how many shoes did I buy? It's a Yeezy 700 box. I don't remember. Oh, I remember. The 700 Vantas. They tooted. Okay, another box. Oh shit, I fucking keep on cutting into these. Whoa. Alrighty, it's another Jordan 1 box. We have the Jordan 1 Pine Green. It's a good colorway. It's gonna go with a couple outfits that I have. What's going on with this one? I'm not the fucking cut my hand over. Oh, okay, my Calabasas pants. I also ordered these with my Geo 700s. More shoes. Oh my god. I have an addiction. So these should be the lung marks. Yes. Nice tan colorway. I know what's in here because of the address, and I remember where the dude sent it from. That's kind of weird. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Would you look at that? This is actually my second box logo. So this one is just the black on black crew neck from the fall winter 18, if I remember correctly. And I have another BOGO, but it's the CDG split logo, and it's alright. I got the white colorway though. Now we get to a lot of the smaller items, I guess. Oh, I actually have a big ass box. Alrighty, well this is my Palm Angels hoodie. Holy shit, it's a lot bigger than I was thinking. This is a fucking medium? Oh my god, how many more things do we have in here? Jesus. That's what I do to my wrist. We do not condone any suicidal actions on this channel. Actually, speaking about suicide, this is the Supreme Save the Planet Kill Yourself tee. Yeah, that's perfect. Got another, what the hell is this? Oh my god, I don't even remember half the things that I bought. Oh, these are my Supreme pants. What the hell? These look, what the fuck? They're way different than what I was expecting, so that's cool. Alrighty, and I'm really fucking stupid for buying this, but this is an antisocial social club hoodie. Yay! Because I need to scream that I'm an introvert. There's so much trash here, oh my god. I'm not talking about just these. Alright, so this is the Heaven and Earth tee. Should be another Supreme tee if I'm guessing correctly. Yes, it is my Supreme button-up. It's the eyes. Couple more packages to go. I think we got, what, three left? Big box. Gone. Oh, okay. So we have some Travis Scott merch. I didn't think this would be coming in anytime soon. Look, Mom, I Can Fly. I love the skull in the back. That's why we got it. Yeah, this came from Germany. And this should be a button. So this is the Devil button up from Supreme. I think this is 2018. Oh my god, that's a lot smaller. That is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. What the fuck, man? Jesus, this is not a medium. Well, this is like a kid's medium. No. Got one last box, and it's the big bad daddy of them all. I spent a lot of money on this, but for good reason. And I actually got a decent deal on it. I didn't pay $1,200 for it. I still paid resale. It was not cheap. It was $845, I think. Ooh, what could that be? What could that be? Oh, what could that be? Oh my god, it's my first time holding these. I've waited so long for these. Oh my god. This is the Travis Scott, or a Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1. Well, this is all the shit that I have collected up within the past 6 months. I have literally spent so much fucking money. If y'all want to take a guess real quick. Wrong. It's around $6,000 worth of shit. Please don't fucking come to my house and steal my shit. I'm watching. Recently bought a new camera. So, I should be making more videos more often, but don't take my word for it, because it's been fucking 3 years since I last uploaded. And that's gonna do it for me. Don't like and subscribe because, again, I'm really fucking inconsistent. I'm just literally uploading for shits and giggles at this point. No, wait. I know what I'm doing. What a fucking loser. Don't you fucking blow that smoke. Don't you fucking do it. I can't even tell if you actually did it or not.
Of course I didn't.